Hello everyone and welcome back to Railroads Online. This is Overclocked and thank you for joining me again for episode 2. First off, I bet you're wondering what all that loud racket is. That happens to be the next place I was going to get set up, the Sawmill. Now the Sawmill is... there's nothing really that special about it, but over there is where you would pick up items. Over here is where you would drop some off. And there's a lot greater distance between where these two lines would be, which the other one at the logging area was pretty short. So hopefully we won't need to do a whole lot. Or, how should I put it? Not doing a whole lot. We should be able to just make a curve without having to like go right, then left, then curve back in. I'm wondering if I can just make it like a good corner. One direction. First off, I want to get a grade going. Let's see. I would like it to be maybe just over the wood, not by much. About right there. Let me go ahead and close enough. I want this above the wood because when you drop off wood, if it gets stuck on, like, in between, you know, the grade and the wood, it won't fall in the lake and you won't get your money for it, and it won't fill up the lake. The logs need to go in here to be processed by the sawmill, and then it will give you an output over there of stuff that you can take. That'd be more valuable to sell later. So, yeah, let's not waste any wood. So that's a start there. That's not what I'm looking for. Let's get rid of that. At least there's some ambient noise here. On the last video, I realized it was just way too quiet. I even tried editing my own, like, ambient noise in the background. And I actually think it turned out pretty well. It was just nothing but being quiet for me. But luckily, these businesses, I'm going to call them each a business. They have ambient sound. At least the ones that I've been to, the sawmill and the logging camp. Let's see. A little bit more right. I don't want it too far over there. I'll start from there. Run all the way back here. I'll put it right there. I don't think these have to be, like, that close to it. It's just how I like to have it. Alright. So those two parts are, I guess you could say, set in stone. I probably won't ever be adjusting this. But for the curve, to connect both of them, let's see what I can do. Near perfect. There we go. Now I do want it to turn right about 20 degrees. Alright, let's see what I can do. Shouldn't take too long. Ooh, I did not know about that hill there. I might hit that hill. I might not. I might just... Ooh. Can I incline that? I know what to do. When I do curves, I like to do curves in one go. I don't know why. I think it just the game works better that way. So if I ever end up stopping, there's a good chance that I will start all over. Alright, so what I'm going to do different, enable snapping, there we go. Oh, and I've lost my little menu on the top right. That's like my biggest concern with the game right now. Let's see if I can get that back. Gonna open up a bunch of menus. There we go. Sometimes that helps, sometimes it doesn't. I think like it gets stuck with like a menu open. Alright. So I wanted to go right. Oh, snap. 20 degrees. This time, how about a 1% gradient or incline? Just for a tad. And hopefully that'll let me go over the hill when I run into it. Actually, I'm going to lower my gradient because that did raise me quite a bit already. Is it just me, or does it feel like we're closer to the mountain now? Am I not going to be able to do this going sharper than... or without going sharper than 20? You know what, let me start with going this way. And to make it even easier, I'm going to go over here and extend this like way, way out. Oh, there's some hills over there too. Oh. There we go. Snap it to go straight. Let's just push this. You know what? That's good. That's straight. A small little dip in the earth that pushes this out just doesn't make it look straight. But it is. So let's see if I can get this to connect to the other one at any point. Alright, I'll line it up. Just realized my menu is missing, so let me... I think the rail did it last time. Ah. I didn't realize that the train rails may not have it either. Come on, I need my menu. I got quiet for a second. How is anyone supposed to fix that? Okay, what if I go to main menu? Maybe open up graphics for a bit. Change something. I don't know if that really changed anything. Okay, I guess, once again, I have to do this without knowing exactly what the number is if I lose count. So, have that snap. I think it's Y goes left. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And, oh, I'm not going to want to do that first. I'm going to want to go straight for a bit. Which also means setting up some facilities here might be the best spot. And if that's the case, I don't want this to go on too long, so let's go ahead and put that there. The other one stops about, let's say here. Not the wood. Alright, now 1, 2, 3. Nope, I want to restart. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then let's see if I can get this to go around and match up. And not get ruined by the... And I'm going to it, aren't I? Well, I thought this would be pretty straightforward, but I guess not. Let me go ahead and time-lapse me creating a loop here. I will meet you back once I'm done. Okay, and welcome back. I had to break my 20-degree rule. I went with 25, and that seemed to have worked just fine. I don't think there should be any major problems with that. There is a problem here. Let me go ahead and patch that up real fast. Man, that is one really loud factory. Man, can never get this perfect. I really wish that there was some kind of a start from the center kind of deal. There, good enough. Also wish, no matter how far this thing stretched, it always would have like the same, I guess, Like it wouldn't compress an image, it would just like use the first part so it always looked the same as it always went through. I am not a game designer. I do not know how hard that would be. Anyway, I would say the first part here is done. Let me go ahead and add some rails to it. Then I'm going to have to figure out where I want to kind of... Probably around here, actually. Which means I am going to destroy this part that I just made and create like the two side-by-sides, and then we're going to connect this to the logging camp. But first, let's go ahead and just complete this roundabout. I'm going to start off with this. And use this to try to make this look straight as possible. I think right about there. And add this to get some regular rails going. Alright. Come on, there we go. I wonder why it doesn't let you click sometimes. Like something's in the way. So from here, turn off snapping. A bit of an angle. Now from here, I just try to get to the center of the grade as possible. Like I explained in the last video, or the first episode. The track will round itself off as long as it's one continuous piece. I don't think there would be an issue with a curvature of 25. It's just when I looked it up online, it says that like sometimes depending on the locomotive, the max curvature is 20. Could be possibly 40 depending, but oh, you know what? I'm just gonna try to do this one by hand. Actually, no, that's not smart. I know me. I would screw it up. I'm going to actually just stop that right there. Gonna line this one up. I should have had this ready before. Sometimes I feel like my mouse is too sensitive. That should be good. And here, a straight piece, and if I can, another straight piece. That creates it like starting to bend while still looking straight into this. And then I want to go very slow here. Small changes. Can I push this out just a little bit? Ooh, that was a lot. I was hoping to have more of a gap there. Just follow the center. All I wanted to think about is following the center. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Alright. And from here, get one of these. That. I can make a long straight piece. Straight piece. Come on. Sometimes this is just really finicky. There we go. Alright, I think this is looking pretty good. About here, I do want to get it to start curving. Okay, just follow the center. Best I can. I also need to figure out the track switching thing a bit better. Figure out how to do it efficiently. I might still have to use the same design, but I could barely get it to work. There's got to be some way to make it snap correctly. I don't know if anyone saw that there were gaps in it and all that. Oh, I guess you can say my rough draft. Oh. Right. Center. Center. Can I put this here instead? I think I'd much prefer it there. Ooh. Oh, still ended up looking like I had a bad spot. Good enough. Man, that feels just... I mean, it's not that sharp. It should do fine. Okay. Go ahead and get the facility set up. Yeah. Nothing wrong with right here. Start with the fire depot. Sneak this in. Just rotate this way. Getting this straight can be a pain sometimes. Right there should be good. A nice straight next to it. Yeah. Not as close up as the other ones, but still fine. Now, sand house right here, which, like before, I'll need to get rid of this bottom part. Oh. Almost forgot to clean these up. Man, it is pretty loud here. But I noticed in the last video my voice was pretty loud, so I turned up the game volume, so it would even out if you wanted to turn your volume down. Everything would be at whatever volume level you'd want it to be. At least that's how I think it should be. No volume greater or less than another. Sand house, yeah. Yeah, let's just put that one a little bit out. Line it up right. Like that. Ooh, I do not like that. Okay, that one I do have to fix. And one more of these to be removed. So I can put a water tower. Which I cannot see where the plank is going. Or the, yeah, plank. Or wooden beam. How's that? Yeah, good enough. Let me go ahead and put this back. Get rid of this extra part I made. And let me get rid of this tree. There's definitely a little, like, wave thing here in the rail. Don't want that. So, I'm gonna bring this out straight. Maybe a little bit more. Just gonna creep this up the line. Stay on target. It's not too close. I don't like the way that looks. Let me start over. Oops, I'm gonna have to put that back. I'll do that last. Okay, since this one is curving and that one's straight, I'm gonna start from here. Oh wait, does that have a piece hanging off it? It does. There. I do want to get like some small little straight areas, or at least as straight as possible, before trying to turn. Alright, yeah, that's way better. I don't like that part there, but like I said, if I try working towards perfection, which cannot be achieved, I'll never get it done. Can I just kind of cover that up? Nah, it's freaking out too much. You know what? If that little part bothers me, I shouldn't be playing this game. Because things like that are just going to happen. Alright. So I have a loop. A little bit tighter curves than I would have wanted, but it works. I have my facility set up. Let me see about... You know what? Instead of this corner finishing up over there, what if it starts trailing right? What's right from here? Yeah. So I'm going to make this turn right instead. That'll pretty much go straight out. It's going to have to angle up a tad bit. Well, followed by going down. Oh, finally, quiet. Where are we going to have the logging camp and the sawmill meet up? definitely would like a nice flat area to create like our little intersection. Actually, looks like right here is not a bad idea. I can barely see anything with all the trees, but overall it looks pretty flat. Where are we? Planning this out. No, this isn't a bad spot. Let me just... Alright, Sawmill is that direction, right? What if I just take 2 of these, why did I not hear that? Oops. No, that I want to angle it more that way. Try to avoid hills, so... No, wrong button. Get rid of these. That way. Come on, right key. Was this way, right? Yeah. Then the rail next to it. Okay, so running this way, there's going to be an incline going up. Ooh, no, I wanted it to go between these 2 hills. Where do I want this? I want it straight. That's my main goal. Keep it straight. Maybe I should just build starting from there and build out to here. As long as the line or the rails are relatively straight, I'd be happy. There can be some turns here and there. I might just really screw up my approach if I'm not 100% sure where I'm going to be starting from. Oh, I'm actually not that far off. Alright, so what I am going to do, using this piece here, create a straight. At least, hopefully, get a straight going. I can barely tell because that tree's in the way. You know what? There. They're going to. I'm pretty sure this will work better. I want to start over here. Try to make this straight, or line it up. Run over here, make sure it's lined up. Then from there, create a snap. So it's perfectly straight. Then get rid of that. And the really long one I made right before it. Just get rid of that, like, texture overlapping. There. Then from here, good enough. So this looks straight, right? Maybe. Go ahead and go. Is that level again? I think so. Ooh, that is going to need to be a bridge. Wow. That's no big deal. I can make a bridge. And I feel like this should cost a fortune just to put this dirt here. Alright. And with that there, let's not cut anything yet, but I am going to put a bridge starting from, right here. Okay. Here's the center as I can get it. What looks center to me. Sorry, tree. Oh, whoa. Well, guess it's a good thing I'm replacing that with a bridge. Oh wait, this is still working, it's just incline. I do want the bridge to go a little bit further. How about right there? Right there then. Okay, let's see how that turned out. There's a gap there for some reason. Nice. Let me get rid of that. Whoa. How'd I cut that one? Or did that one, like, teleport? Nope. Not delete the bridge. Oh, I haven't made any money yet. Oh, I haven't cut down that many trees. So that one took off. Alright. Just gonna do another quick check on this one. So right when it starts getting too steep, there's quite a gap there for some reason. Maybe the game can do what it wants. I don't know. Can I rebridge that? Can I climb this bridge? No. Line it up the best I can. Oh, that's better than what was there before. Alright. Now... go ahead and clear more trees. Can I start this from here? Start going down a grade or two. That's about what? There? Yeah. Burn trees. Yeah, I think that's pretty lined up. Let's go ahead and do that. Get rid of these trees. So now what I'm going to want to do here is my best to line this up. Obviously. But... is that lined up? Slightly to the left. And that'd be way to the left down the line. I think I'm going to need This one. I'll put this. Actually, I am going to just build a bunch of these. Make sure. Yeah, it's definitely going to the right. I don't know why. I know I kept saying, I keep saying I want it to be as perfect as possible, but it doesn't need to be absolutely perfect. But I think for the bridges, I need to do a little bit more effort. So what I'm going to do is start a time lapse as I try to create a side-by-side bridge for 2 railroads. And I will be back once I'm done. Okay, and we are back. That took me quite a bit longer than what I would have liked, as usual. It takes me a bit to figure out how to lay things down relatively okay to what I believe is considered okay. This might be considered awful to some other people. Let me go ahead and just quickly cut some trees because I haven't done that. That tree is okay. I don't like that one that's leaning in. Go ahead and get rid of that. Gonna have to set that later. Once I'm done cutting the trees, I'll go ahead and end the episode. So if you don't want to just watch me finish off this last little bit while I talk about what I'm going to do next. The next part will be probably bridging this and the sawmill. I was hoping to do that in one episode, but this is actually taking me quite a bit of time to figure out how I want it. You know, let me just stick with one path for now. Let's cut this one. This one. All these trees look good. It's kind of cool when you fill this up with logs. It actually like fills the lake up with logs. Like how they'll pick them up from there kind of deal. So you want to get rid of that. That one's fine. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. All these trees have branches over my grade. All of you be gone. Wish you can plant new trees. Ooh. That one just popped right on up. Now, in the meantime, I think I am going to try to figure out how to do the whole 3-way change there while keeping everyone in the lane that they're supposed to. I don't think it's possible to really change it. I did have one extra idea. I'm like, trees that are also leaning against the track. It just looks wrong to me. So I'll go ahead and give that a try once I'm down there, but I'm pretty sure I'll have to go the other way, or the other route I picked. Or showed, like the rough draft of how I'm going to do the three-way intersection. Maybe have some kind of rules bulletin board when, if someone were to join. Be like, always stay on the right side of the track. You know, rules of right-of-way at each intersection. First one goes first, the other one has to wait. Or if you both arrive at the same time, the one to your right goes first. If there is no one to your right and, like, directly across, I don't know, flip a coin. Just go ahead and get... Actually, I wouldn't mind some trees here blocking the view of how ugly that is. Not like it really makes a difference. Alright. So the sawmill is finally done. Got 2 bridges. Now I just need to connect the sawmill to the logging camp and also to the freight depot. Also going to have to build something around the freight depot, but I'm definitely going to connect these 2 lines first and figure out my intersection before doing that. So for now, thank you anyone that's joined me so far, and have a great day. Bye.